Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss some cybersecurity tips and tricks to help you stay safe online. With the increase in cyber threats, it's important to take steps to protect yourself and your online accounts. Tip number 1. Use strong passwords. Make sure to use a unique, complex password for each of your online accounts. You can also use a password manager to generate and securely store your passwords. Tip number 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your accounts by requiring a code or notification in addition to your password. Tip number 3. Be cautious of phishing scams. Phishing scams can trick you into giving away sensitive information like passwords or credit card details. Always double-check the sender's email address and be wary of unsolicited emails or messages. Tip number 4. Keep your software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that protect you from known vulnerabilities. Tip number 5. Use a virtual private network, VPN, when using public Wi-Fi. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and protects your online activity from prying eyes. And there you have it, 5 cybersecurity tips and tricks to help you stay safe online. Make sure to follow these steps to keep yourself and your online accounts secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and cybersecurity content. See you in the next video.